Welcome to MS Craftshop. This is my first video of 2024 and I'm thrilled to start the year with you all. Let's make it a year full of creativity, beautiful crafts and joy. May every project you undertake bring you happiness and fulfillment throughout the year. I have prepared a short presentation for the Winter Folio album and wanted to share it with you today. Although Christmas is over, we still have the winter season to enjoy. Therefore, I have created a tutorial for the Winter Folio album, which will be uploaded to my YouTube channel in the next few days. The tutorial is divided into 4 parts, each of which will be posted every Monday on my channel. This tutorial teaches you how to make a folio album from scratch. The first part will cover the creation of the album base. We will focus on decorating the inner left and right sides in the second and third parts. Finally, we will complete the tutorial by decorating the cover and adding a spine tassel. The dimensions of the folio are 20.5 cm by 16 cm with a spine of 3.5 cm. It can hold approximately 40 pictures, depending on how they are arranged. The album is designed for photos sized 9 cm by 13 cm and 10 cm by 15 cm. I decorated the album using paper from the Winter Holiday collection by Craft&You design company, produced about 2 years ago and has remained on my shelf unused until now. However, feel free to use any paper you have in your stash. As you can see in the folio, there are several ways to store your photos. You can put them in the pockets or attach them to the flaps, booklets or photo mats. Additionally, 4 tags provide extra space for notes and memories. A folio album is not just a smaller version of a photo album. It's a quick, easy and versatile way to preserve memories because of its compact size and flexible layout. You can easily customize it to fit your style and needs, and it can hold a surprising number of photos despite its small size. Perfect for capturing moments from any event. If you feel convinced, join me every Monday for 4 weeks. Let's dive into the world of folio albums. Toward the end of the video, a brief presentation of the paper collection used to decorate the folio album will be presented. The product list for each part of the tutorial will be provided in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you on Monday!